You have no limbs. Look at this belly. So chunky. I'm so sorry.
Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me?
Face entry. That was the point where we
What?
You've been under the hair scheme, playing in the cobwebs. You look like you're wearing a veil. You look adorable. Don't argue. You look so cute.
You pissing in closets? Open your eyes. Hey, Lucy.
Dude, that's my nipple! Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Oh, you come back for more?